Welcome to PATRIOTS IAS. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. 2022 Prelims Science and Technology question and answer are going to discuss. First question is this. Consider the following. Arogya Setu, Cowin, DigiLocker, Diksha. Which of the above are built on top of open source digital platform? The answer of this question is option D. All the statements are correct. See, the open source software is a software with soft code that anyone can inspect, modify and enhance. So anyone can add features to it or fix parts that don't work correctly. This Arogya Setu, Cowin, DigiLocker and Diksha are all built on open source digital platforms. Next question is this. With reference to Web 3, consider the following statement. The first statement is this. Web 3 technology enables people to control their own data. The statement is correct. Statement 2 is this. In Web 3 world, there can be blockchain based social networks. This statement is also correct. Third statement is this. In Web 3 is operated by users collectively rather than a corporation. All the statements are correct. So option D, 1, 2 and 3 are the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. See, in Web 3 is there is lots of privacy is there, and it's the next generation or the phase of the evolution of the web or internet. In Web 3 is built upon the concept of decentralization, openness and greatness user utility. So answer of this question is option D. All the statements are correct. Next question is this. With reference to software as a service, consider the following statement. First statement is this. SaaS, the software as a service, buyers can customize the user interface and can change data feeds. This statement is correct. Second statement is this. SaaS users can access their data through their mobile devices. This statement is also correct. Third statement is this. Outlook, Hotmail and Yahoo Mail are forms of SaaS. This statement is also correct. So all the statements are correct. Answer is option D, 1, 2 and 3. See, we know that SaaS, software as a service, is a software distribution model in which cloud providers host applications and makes available to end users over to internet. And this means this model independent software vendor, that is ISV, may contract a third party cloud provider to host the application. Next question is this. Which one of the following is the context in which the term qubit is mentioned? This is a simple question. The answer is option B, quantum computing. See, in the quantum computing, the information is encoded in qubits, right? Qubits can be in the form of 0 or 1 or both. So answer is option B. Next question is this. Consider the following communication technologies. Closed circuit television, radio frequency identification, wireless local area network. Which of the above are considered of the short range devices? All the statements are considered as the short range device, all the examples of short range devices technologies. So answer is option D, 1, 2 and 3. See, the short range devices are the radio devices that offers a low risk of interference. It transmits power in a low range. Many different types of wireless equipments including CCTV, radio frequency identification, remote control, all are examples of short range devices. Next question is this. Which one of the following statements best reflects the idea behind fractional orbital bombardment system often talked about in media? The answer is option C. A missile is put into a stable orbit around the Earth and deorbits over a target on the Earth. See, this fractional orbital bombardment system, the idea behind the fractional orbital bombardment system is to put a warhead as a missile into a stable orbit and deorbit over the target. If the target and the launch position is lined up and the warhead keeps going round, it will complete a circle. So answer is option C. Next question is this. Consider the following statements. The first statement is this. Biofilms can form or medical implants within human tissues. This statement is correct. Second statement is this biofilms can form on food and food processing surfaces. This statement is also correct. Third statement is this biofilms can exhibit antibiotic resistance. Third statement is also correct. So answer of this question is option D, 1, 3 and 1, 2 and 3. All statements are correct. See, we know that biofilms are collective of one or more types of microorganisms that can grow on many different surfaces. So microorganisms that form the biofilms include bacteria, fungi and protists. So answer of this question, all the statements are correct. Option D is the correct answer. Next question is about probiotics. The first statement is probiotics are made of both bacteria and yeast. This statement is correct. Second statement is this, the organisms in probiotics are found in food we ingest, but they do not naturally occur in our gut. This statement is incorrect. Second statement is incorrect. Look at the third statement. Probiotic help in the digestion of milk sugars. Third statement is correct. So answer of this question is option C, 1 and 3 is the correct answer. See, people often may think that the bacteria and other microorganisms are harmful germs, but it is not like that. Some bacteria are helpful. Some bacteria help us to digest food in our stomach, in our gut, and destroy disease-causing cells or produce vitamins. See, these probiotics are microorganisms that are intended to have health benefits. So, the probiotics are microorganisms that has to have, when we consumed or applied it on our body, it have a health benefits. Consumed means through our food, dietary supplements, and applied to our body means we use through beauty products. So the probiotics, microorganisms have health benefits, and it's found in the stomach also. So answer of this question is option C. Next question. In the context of vaccines manufactured prevent COVID-19 pandemic, consider the following statements. Statement 1 is this. The Serum Institute of India produced COVID-19 vaccine named Covishield using mRNA platform. This statement is incorrect. Covishield is not based on mRNA platform. It is not based on the mRNA platform. It is viral vector platform. So statement 1 is incorrect. Sputnik 5 vaccine is manufactured using vector-based platform. Statement is correct. Second statement is correct. Third statement is this, Covaxin is inactivated pathogen-based vaccine. It is also correct. So second and third statement is correct. First statement is incorrect. So answer of this question is option B, 2 and 3 only. See, the Covishield uses viral vector platform, and Sputnik 5 is also use adenovirus vector platform. The Covaxin is based on virus inactivated platform. So answer is option B. Next question is this, which one of the following statements best describes the role of B cells and T cells in the human body? Answer is option D. They protect the body from the diseases caused by pathogens. See, this B cells create antibodies, and these antibodies bind pathogens or foreign substances such as toxins and neutralize them. T cells protect us from infections such as pathogens such as bacteria, virus and fungi. And the T cells can wipe out infected or cancerous cells also. Next question is this, consider the following statements. Other than those made by humans, nanoparticles do not exist in nature. So this statement is incorrect. It says that nanoparticles do not exist in nature. This statement is incorrect. Second statement is this, nanoparticles or some metallic oxides are used in manufacture of some cosmetic. Second statement is correct. Third statement is this, nanoparticles of some commercial products which enter the environment are unsafe for humans. This third statement is correct. Second and third statement is correct. Answer of this question is option D, 1 and 3 is the correct answer. See, nanoparticles can naturally created. For example, minuscule droplets of sea spray. And the nanoparticles also harmful for humans when move from lungs to other organs such as brain, liver, spleen, and possibly affects the fetus in a pregnant woman also. Next question is this, related with DNA barcoding. DNA barcoding, first statement says that it can assess the age of a plant or animal. This statement is incorrect. Second, look at the second statement. DNA barcoding distinguish among species that look alike. The second statement is correct. Third statement is this, identify undesirable animal or plant materials in processed foods. Third statement is also correct. So second and third statement is correct. Option D is the correct answer. See, DNA barcoding is a system for species identification. DNA barcoding is a system for species identification focused on the use of short standardized genetics region acting as a barcode. So DNA barcoding is a system of species identification. We have seen the barcoding in our supermarkets, which is used to distinguish commercial products, right? So likewise, the DNA barcoding is a system for species identification. Answer is option D. Next and last question is this, if a major solar storm reaches the earth, which of the following are the possible effects on the earth? See, the solar storm is a large explosion on the surface of the sun that emit intense burst of electromagnetic radiation. So solar storm is a large explosion on the surface of the sun which emits intense burst of electromagnetic radiation. This electromagnetic radiation which occurs on the surface of the sun do not cause tsunami on earth, and do not cause forest fires, but it can affect the GPS and the navigation system. It can affect the power grids. Intense auroras could occur over much of the earth. It can affect the satellites. It can affect the short radio communication, all this. So it cannot make a tsunami or forest fire like that. So answer of this question is option C. It's the correct answer. It's all about Prelims 2022 Science and Technology questions. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Please share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.